This is from Team Trivikrama, and today we are going to present you our app Swap Sambandha, which we have built using the Flutter as frontend, Node.js as backend, and MongoDB as database. The main goal of our app is to connect the urban and the rural people so that the excess things that he or she has can be swapped with the other person. Moreover, this is also a marketplace. Now, coming to our app. Initially, we added a splash screen followed by a login page, where the details which you enter will reflected in the drawer of the app. As you see, I'm entering the details. Now I open a buyer section in one app and seller section in the another app. The UI for the both the seller and buyer are same due to a lack of time. On clicking on the create product button, we can give input and this will be pass it to backend and store it to MongoDB. Now, if the buyer wants to buy, now the buyer wants to buy the product, he can click on the product, then click to buy. There is a two option. One is contact the seller and courier method. If the person wants to direct contact with the seller, then a chart selection is provided. They can proceed with it. The chart selection is developed using the Socket IO library along with the Node.js and MongoDB. What are the messages are sent will be stored. So even though the app is restarted, the messages stay there only. As you see, the messages are stored in the database. Otherwise, you want the courier method, buyer need to fill the address or give his address. Then we inform the seller to place the order to given address. Now in drawer section, rewards is there to encourage the seller and the buyer both. After completing the certain points, we gave them the rewards. Now come to brownie points task. First, we implemented the toggle theme as you said, and we also made a responsive. Our app will fit to all the screens. This is for the mobile screen, and using that for the computer screen. And the second task, which is real-time API integration. We have integrated the weather API to display the Bengaluru weather. We also tried to implement the payment using the Stripe, but it does not support the web. So we unable to integrate. The code for the payment method is in the Git repository. You can check. Now, coming to the third task, which is implementing the app icon or favicon. As you can see, we implemented it here. Now, finally, in the About section, there's a brief introduction about our app and the developers. And now we come to an end. Now I like to thank CodeRIT for providing this opportunity to us. Thank you, CodeRIT.